Oh no! All the Fireman Sam toys are on fire! Quick! I wish we had a fireman to put them out.
I can put it with the helicopter.
Wow! Good job, fireman! Should we save Pontypandy from the huge fire?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's put the step out first. We're going to save the fire car, the fire engine, and Jupiter. On the step. Wow, so these are all the cool Fireman Sam toys we saved.
Yeah.
Right, we saved. Let's go from here to over the other side.
Yeah.
So what's this one?
Like for a band.
Wow. Right, what's next?
And the for bike.
Good job.
And I don't know her name.
Bessie, that one's called.
Yeah, that's here.
Bessie the fire engine.
And
Venus.
Vina. And 4x4.
4x4.
Yeah.
Good job. And we saved Naughty Norman, did we?
Yeah.
Oh, hi Naughty Norman. Wow, and we saved the fire station, Mike Flood's garage,
Yeah.
and the shop,
Yeah.
and the giant fire station.
Yeah.
Which one's your favourite toy that we saved?
That one.
The fire station at the back?
Yeah.
Wow, press the button.
And there's another button back here.
Oh, cool. So let us know in the comments below, guys, which toy was your favourite that we saved from this rescue. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.